That's Mama. Meep Meep. That's Maxie, my puppy. She's more like a cat, but he's a dog. And just bowing and she's pegging it. She's just babies. There's Steven, home from school. That's Sneezers. This one's called Cuphead, because he's an idiot. He got his head stuck in a cup. Huh, didn't you? Where's Special? No, Broccoli. This one is Sweetie Pie. Don't let the name fool you, she a bitch. Always attacking my fucking kitties. Oh, Broccoli. Where's Special? Where's your boy Special? Huh? Oh, Broccoli's not in here. Oh, well, I tried to show. But that's Cuphead. That's the Sneezers. Sneezers. That's a Steven. Mama again. I don't see Broccoli anywhere. Of course, we don't want to get Broccoli all riled up. He's an idiot. But Mama, this is my favorite. I got a favoritism for Mama. And she got the baby coming. But mine is Broccoli. I can't find. This is the last one that I'm trying to find. Let's see. What got next? I don't know what Broccoli is doing. But look how shitty it is outside. Minnesota. The weather sucks today. But it is what it is, hey.